Hey guys, Mike here. Just got back from running the Typhon here and tied my PB on this run, guys. And just wanted to go over the setup on it. It has been rebuilt, obviously, from the last crash. Those of you guys who have seen it, excuse me. Got the M2C Creighton speed chassis on it, so it's 55 millimeters longer than normal Creighton. Typhon. So got the extenders on the back for the body. It has a Castle 1515 with the Mamba Monster X 8S. Still got the stock servo in it. I do have an upgraded servo that I'm going to put in at some point, but you have to take the whole thing out because I have the Scorched Parts servo mount in there, carbon fiber. Basher Queen carbon fiber mount for the ESC. I've got M2C chassis braces front and back. It had China Hobbyline batteries in it. It's got a battery box from Hot Racing. Hot Racing front diff. Got lockers in the front. Scorched Parts. The Trident drive shafts in the front, and then the matching drive shaft in the back. A lot of upgrades, guys. I've got Hot Racing shock caps in the rear. Broke those in a crash. So a few more upgrades I want to do to it. I want to get scorched drive shafts for the front and the back coming out of the diffs. And I've got GPM steering turnbuckles in the front. I'd like to put some in the back. You'll see in the run, it was laser straight in this run, guys, and I got it to 112, which tied my PB. So probably going to run with this setup for a little while. I think I probably need to gear up. I haven't checked the logs yet, but I'm sure I need to gear up. I do have another motor also. I have a TP motor that I could put in it and try that as well, just to see what the difference is. But the 1515 seems to be pushing it pretty good. This is not a light car, guys. This car probably weighs pushing on 9 or 10 pounds probably. If I had to guess. Could get a scale out and weigh it. Maybe that'll come next. But anyhow, guys, I won't keep you any longer. I've got the GRP tires on it as well. Learned about these from Chris over at MK1 Engineering, who has also helped me a little bit. He's steered me in the right direction kind of on this car. So shout out to Chris over at MK1 Engineering, guys. Check him out. He's super fast. He just got his Typhon up to, and I believe it's a short wheelbase Typhon with a FC100 body maybe. And he got it up to 160 miles an hour and broke one of his drive shafts. But 160 miles an hour, guys, is impressive. 112 on this, and my heart was pumping. It'll definitely get your adrenaline going. So I couldn't imagine 160. Hopefully I'll get there one day. But anyway, guys, enough babbling on. If you guys have any questions about the car, shoot me a comment. Leave a comment down below, and I'll be happy to respond to any comments, guys. Leave us a like. If you're subscribed, thank you so much. If you're not, hit that subscribe button, guys. We're going to get faster. We're going to get better. Hopefully I'll find a good longer road, and we can get this dude moving down the highway. So anyway, here's the run, guys. Hope you enjoy. Y'all have an awesome day. Good morning, guys. Mike here. Got the Arrma Typhon out. We're going to try to make a run this morning. It's fairly early. Hopefully the traffic will allow us to make a run. Got it to 102 last time, guys, so hopefully we'll be able to improve on that just a little bit. But anyway, we'll get her turned on. Oh. I always forget to turn the radio on first. They don't like it when I don't. Anyway, guys, hope everybody's doing well. We're gonna get this dude down the road, see if we can make a pass here. Got the new CNHL batteries on it. Zeroed out. Come on now. Oh, we lost some satellites. 0. All right, now we're tracking. Here we go, guys. Whew. Had it full throttle there for a good bit. Felt like anyway. Hopefully we made an improvement on our speed. Let's see. Oh, that'll get your blood pumping, guys. Whew. Stop, read. 112 miles an hour, guys. Pretty sure that tied my PB on this car. Awesome, awesome, awesome run. That was awesome, and it was straight. I don't know what I'll have to do to it to get it any faster, but I guess gear up. I'll have to check the logs, guys. But I'll open it up here. So did good with those CNHL batteries. It's not even warm, guys. It was barely trying. So maybe time to gear up on this dude, get a couple extra miles an hour. But yep, 112, guys. Awesome, awesome run. Guys, if you're subscribed, thank you so much. If you're not, think about hitting that subscribe button, guys. Give me a like, leave some comments. Hope everybody has a great rest of their day, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.